Enjoy the view of this 2018 Jeep Compass. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Show them your style in the Compass. Get behind the wheel and go.